Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can install the WooCommerce plugin on your WordPress site. So let's get right into it. Now, I'm pleased to say that you'll be happy that WooCommerce is already installed in WordPress. When you create a WordPress site and account, it will already be installed and you can use it freely. All you have to do is just sign up for it and subscribe, and then you'll have the plugin active. Now, it does cost $300 per year, so keep that in mind. However, once you subscribe to it, you'll be able to use it freely. As you can see, it's over here. You can just click here and click start a new store, and once you subscribe, you'll be able to create your own store. Now, even though you have this plugin, you can install other plugins as well. So if we go into the plugins menu, you can just search up WooCommerce, and you have a lot of different plugins which will help you for this, plugin. Now you have the official WooCommerce plugin, which I'm not sure why you need this, since everything is already there. It is free on the business plan for WordPress, which I don't have, so I can't install it, but I'm pretty sure it's the same integration as this. But yeah, you can also use Google Analytics for WooCommerce, Google's WooCommerce subscriptions, Google for WooCommerce, etc., etc. You can use a ton of different things, which will enable you to enhance your experience and enhance your online storefront. But that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.